Hello friends, how are you today? Let us talk of a new topic called as Cyberchondria. Now what is this Cyberchondria? Cyberchondria is a state of anxiety, panic, fear created or exacerbated by the continuous use of internet to gain medical information. In other words, cyberchondria can be called as idiot syndrome. Don't go by the actual meaning of idiot. It actually stands for IDIOT, which means internet derived information obstructing treatment, or also called as VOMIT. VOMIT, which means victims of modern internet technology. The number of cases or patients with this type of syndrome is increasing day by day. So many youngsters come into my office. Now there are a lot of people who have access to internet, which is because internet is the cheapest thing in this country, in all over the world. And so it's very easy to get access on the internet and scroll and see and search for medical information. So when these patients come into my office, I often feel that I am taking an examination. They come, they would say I have got pain here, then I examine, and my basic diagnosis says something like costochondritis. It is nothing to do with the heart, and I tell them that you have no cardiac problem. But these youngsters are not happy. I give them a prescription. The moment I give them a prescription, the next question that they pose is, Doctor Saab, isko koi side effects to nahi hai? Are there any side effects for these, doctor? I have a very standard answer for this. I say yes, some side effects are also there. Anything under the sun, including the sun itself, can cause reaction or side effects. Remember this. Secondly, I tell them that these side effects of these medicines which I have prescribed are much less than the food that you eat, the water that you drink, the air that you breathe, and the side effects of the habits that you possess. After that, they are not happy because they want investigations to be done. If I tell them don't go in for any investigations, they will just walk out and get it done from somewhere else. Well, there are some doctors who will not leave these patients and get investigations done right from 2D echo, stress test, CT angio, coronary angio, and go up to all the investigations in the world. Well, then what happens is such doctors are labeled as money-making machines. Well, I don't deny there are some. Well, there are black sheep in every profession. But overall, if you see, most doctors will follow the code of ethics. Now, surfing this internet and getting medical information is something like having an extramarital affair in the sacred patient-doctor relationship. This excessive surfing or this cyberchondria is affecting many family physicians. The concept of family physicians is going away. People don't go to the physicians or a family doctor to ask for basic advice, where to go, what to do. Those things are getting obsolete day by day. And those doctors who practice modern medicine, or what is also called as allopathy, are the ones who are affected the most, because modern medicine is extremely transparent. It has a lot of transparency and it is an evidence-based science, and everything about modern medicine is there on Google, is there on the internet. But mind you that everything about this modern medicine on the internet is not 100% true. Nowadays, online consultations is gaining ground, especially during lockdown, and I have consulted many of these patients, and the feedback that I get is patients are not happy or comfortable Now they feel, yes, I should go and meet the doctor. Because the experience of the doctor counts a lot. It is because no two individuals are same. Because we are not man-made machines, we are God-made machines. No two fingerprints are alike, they are different. So, the treatment also has to be individualized or customized according to the doctor's experience. More about that, I would also put it this way. There are some people who tell me that when a doctor talks to me, he touches me, he examines me, I feel very happy, very comfortable. That is what is called as the healing touch. And this healing touch is nothing but transferring some unseen energy which is also called as the chi energy from one person to the other person through his talk or through his physical touch. So this transference of chi energy is also what makes a difference to the patient's management and the cure of his disease. So friends, rely less on the internet, trust your doctor, and I should also tell you that the best doctors in the world are the Indian doctors. Do not forget that. Thank you very much.